Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your ringtone starting iOS 17. So since there's a new update for iOS 17, I think there is a changes on the ringtones and settings, so I'm gonna teach you how to change the ringtone, okay? So first things first, hop onto your settings, and then look for Sounds and Haptics. It should be this one. Once you're there, simply look for ringtone. This is what you're looking for. Now the very basic one should be reflection. Okay, but I'm gonna go with classic. And then looking for opening. This is what I got used to. These are the classic ringtone since iOS 16 and below. But these are the new ones for iOS 17. Now for alarm clock, just for additional information, to change your alarm clock song, you should be looking on your alarm or clock application. It should be down right here. And then once you choose an alarm, there is that ringtone right there. Sound option. Change it over here, choose a sound, and you're good to go. And that's how you change your ringtone in iOS 17. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.